Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create collage videos using the InShot editing app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the InShot app on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the create new option from which you can create a video, a photo project, or a collage project. Tap on the collage option and you will now be asked to choose from various different modes. You can choose the grid, the AI blend, or the stitch option. Tap on any one of your preferred method and you will be asked to choose your media from your gallery. Just import your photos by choosing them one by one and then tap on the tick mark. This will now show you various different layouts and blend styles that will be used within your photo. You can change them one by one by tapping on them and seeing how they will unfold by using the slider. You may also choose your aspect ratio from the ratio option, and from the layout panel you can change from various different ones. After choosing your desired layout, blend as well as ratio, you can tap on export in order to turn it into a collage video. After this, if you wish to add music to it, you can tap on the edit option and then go into the timeline menu to add your desired music. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a collage video using the InShot application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.